Who's gonna be looking?
Okay. How'd you?
Guess I'm psychic.
I'm already doing what you want with these funky
You
colors.
really not. I'm trying to accommodate you. You're not doing what I want, actually. If we're being honest, you're not. So.
Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, won't stop.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another hair vlog. I'm going to be kind of sticking with the same thing that I've already been doing / I said I was going to do with the calico hair trends, but I want to do a braided mohawk today. Actually, I'm going to just insert it right here. This is the look we're going for, except we're going to incorporate the braided mohawk. Like I said, except we're going to incorporate the calico hair color trend, whatever. But we have a lot to do. Full workup today. Full workup. Pre-poo, shampoo, condition, blow dry, and then still actually do the style. I took the last braids I had out, and then I kind of just co-wash. I never even washed my hair for real because I didn't want to do it. And then we've been looking like this for a good week now. Totally unacceptable, but hey, that's neither here nor there. We're beyond that at this point. I went to the beauty supply yesterday to go get some more goodies. I got me the infamous pre-poo. Y'all know I cannot do my hair without this at this point. I mean, I can. I just don't really want to, and I don't feel like I should have to. So I got me two of those. Technically, this one is for my mom, but I mean, I tried to get 3, but the third bottle, whoa, why is it open? It's like a little busted. I was trying to get all 3 that they had, but it was just too much going on. I got some more mousse. This isn't the one I wanted, but I've used it. It's cool. I like it, so it'll get the job done. And then I also got this gel, again, not the one I wanted, but we're going to give it a try and hope for the best, and then we'll see. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's just get straight into it. right, y'all. The easy part is done. We've washed, conditioned, something like that. Blow dried. And now it's time to start the braiding process. I don't know if I said this earlier, but my mom is going to help me with it because for some reason I can't cornrow my own head. Like, I can go crazy on somebody else's, but I still can't figure out like my hand positioning and like all that when it comes to doing my own hair. Granted, I don't practice enough, but yeah, nonetheless. So we're finna get started. I'm gonna start with the middle section. Let me go get my stuff real quick. I'm using all the same exact hair I did last time. I don't know for sure. I don't know how I want to execute it. Obviously, I want the outside to be just black, but for the middle, I think that's the only part where I'm going to like add the color. I just don't know if I want to just add the curly pieces to the black hair or if I actually want to do like a couple like actual braids to full. You know what I'm trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say? I don't know. We'll figure it out, but like I said, all the same hair from last time, so hurry up and screenshot. This is the red, ginger, whatever color hair. Here's the blonde hair. Here's the blonde curly hair. Black curly hair. Ginger, whatever. Oh, there's no label showing, but go to the last video. Ginger, whatever color, curly hair. And then these ones I got off Amazon for my regular black hair packs. I hope I have enough because this is all I got. I really hope I have enough. Oh my god, I didn't even think about that. Beauty supplies probably not even open today. This is the hair I use for my regular black braiding hair. So, enough of that. Let's get straight into this.